Why scroll through endless rows of coordinates when you could visualize them? MAPOG lets you see your Excel data as an interactive map instantly. First, go to story.mapog.com. Click Create New Map. Give your project an appropriate title and description. Then click on Process Custom Location. After that, select Add by uploading CSV/Excel. Go to Custom Location Template Settings option. Add custom location type such as mountain peaks for our current dataset, and then input necessary attributes like name, elevation, etc. Select the custom location type you created, and then upload your desired file. Then match your Excel with attributes and the field type with latitude and longitude. This ensures each location is accurately represented on the map and linked to its corresponding data. Go to Edit Point Details. Next, add relevant images for your point to complete the attribute details. Then click Save. And your map is now ready. You can make it public for a wider audience or share it using the share link. From static tables to dynamic insight, mapping changes everything. Anyone dealing with locations, from researchers to retailers, can spot trends instantly. Convert your data into a map in minutes with MAPOG. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.